All right, everybody. Quick installment of Dave's Garage. Decided after getting pulled over too many times, taking my radar detector from my car. And what I did here was built using my RAM mount. I found, I don't know, this $7 mount that has a flat platform. It's made to be this adhesive side or screwed down to something and then have the ball mount. So I just reversed it, put Velcro on that side, Velcro on this side, and then I can just go gunk and stick my radar detector right there. This has an adapter down there. And so all I have to do is just zip tie all this stuff. I'm gonna put a little Velcro loops so I can do it and undo it. And basically just tuck these wires down here somewhere where they won't get, pinched anywhere. And then when you turn on the power, I've now got radar, laser, and all that stuff. So the next thing I got to figure out is, because I can turn the volume up. It's fairly loud, but I don't know how I'm going to hear it necessarily riding. It'll have to be a visual thing as it'll start flashing. It does have an audio out. So that's what I'm going to look at and see if I can incorporate that and figure out a way. And if you guys have any ideas, I would love to figure out a way to have that broadcast somehow into my helmet. So I need to see if there's an aux input or something. Maybe there is on my Cena 50S. But if I can get that audio out to go into my helmet, man, that would be sweet. And like I said, then all we got to do here is just get some things and tuck these wires up out of the way. And what I may end up doing is just going and getting a separate radar detector for the car so I don't have to switch it back and forth. But if I can get these wires out of the way and have this nice and clean and nothing binding or pinching, that could be a pretty sweet setup for riding. Of course, I don't have it for that bike because I've got RAM mounts. I don't have a power adapter. I'd have to wire up a power adapter, but we'll see. Stay tuned.